Here's how to turn off the camera control button on your iPhone. I'm using my iPhone 17 Pro Max and it's a very easy process. First, open settings on your phone. Scroll down and go to the accessibility option. Now, again scroll down to the physical and motor section. There, you'll see the camera control option right below the side button. Now, just open the camera control option and simply turn off this toggle button. Now, as you can see, the camera control button is turned off. If I press it, nothing happens. Now, there might be many reasons as to why you want to turn off this camera control button. For me personally, I'm turning it off because instead of being useful, it was becoming a nuisance for me. The positioning of this button sucks. Like whenever I mount my iPhone on a phone stand, it was pressing and the camera or visual intelligence was launching automatically. And even when I tried to use the camera control, it was honestly more work. To zoom in and out through gestures seemed cool at first, but it was much more intuitive to do it directly from the screen. Honestly, for me, the camera control button is utterly useless. It's just my opinion. I'm sure for some people this button is actually useful, but for me it's bothersome. So there you have it. Just turn it off from the camera control settings, which you can find in the accessibility section of your iPhone settings. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and subscribe to Gizmo Rush for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.